Yo YouTube, Sing Zima. Yeah, me there. Hey YouTube, my name is Jonathan Singh, aka Sing Zima, and I'm from Jamaica. Sing Zima, where did I get the name from? I actually got the name from a good friend of mine. I used to call him Chatty Cat Daddy back in 7th and 8th grade, and he never did like it. I don't know why. So one day, some were bridging them to that play a Beanie Man song. And I'm sure you can guess which one.
Zima, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them.
After the song played, my brother was there and he was just like, yo, we just call it Sing Zima. Since that, I just been using the name, you know, it just felt comfortable. Sing Zima. Sing Zima. Sing Zima, you see it? I decided to start YouTube because I use Snapchat now for bare foolishness. I want to put them on something else because people find it funny. So here we are. By the way, if you never do it already, add me on Snapchat at sing_Zima. I'll put the code somewhere about the place. It's there. Upcoming videos will be Snapchat collages and challenges and Q&As or anything you guys want. So tell me what you want in the comments, is it? And then you gotta kinda like the video because why not? And you gotta subscribe because why not? So before this video, I asked my Snapchat friends to ask me a couple of questions. So that's what this video is going to be, the first Q&A. So, date of birth, October 6th. Favorite thing to do, my favorite thing to do, to be honest, watch Netflix, use Snapchat. My favorite person, my mother. She gave me birth. My mother, my favorite person. My mother. My favorite ex, suck your mother. I'm not lying, none of my ex them. My worst ex, I don't know. My most embarrassing experience. My boss, him by my boss. Honestly, that was my most embarrassing moment. Favorite sport, my mom said before, game on Netflix. Favorite food, pancakes and bacon. This is big so good, I don't know. Sorry, me not care, but my girlfriend can't skinny because me a Jamaican. Jamaican I like skinny girl, you see. Short girls or tall girls. Me not tall. Me like short girl. Light skin or dark skin. It don't really matter. Me not against certain races, you get me? Black, white, yellow, as long as you not green. Nobody not like green girl. Bad girl or stuck up girl. Me like the bad girl them. Have you ever cheated on your girlfriend? Yes, me a 50. Girl I go come and go. The reason I said that is because of my grandma. Let me tell you what happened. So one day, my grandma was visiting Jamaica and she asked me, Jonathan, you have girlfriend? Yeah, no grandma. So how the relationship I go? Honestly, no grandma. You know, so me and this girl we like to talk for a while. We are move loyal with each other, you see me? Why this little boy? You say I'm gonna be loyal? Let me tell you something. You're still a young man, you know. You don't need to be loyal. But grandma, if me not loyal people, I gonna start calling me a fuck boy. And then I gonna get AIDS. Little boy, let me tell you something. Take sips from each different cup. And when you find the right one, drink it up. But grandma, you hear me, little boy? I decided to listen to my grandma. And my relationship them since that don't really last all that long. Everybody know the point in a relationship when it just don't feel as good as the first time. Even when in a link up, it's just like you not feel it. You see, during that stage, I'm find our next girl. It may sound savage to you guys, but as I say, it's words from my grandma. Blame she. Last question. Are you a virgin? Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. My God, like, yeah, me I show later. Like the thing, like the blind guy, man.